Once upon a time, there was a boy who had to look after sheep for his Uncle Joe. It was a very boring job just sitting on the hillside day after day watching the sheep eating grass.
Well, hello, Joe Nicholas. Please take very good care of my sheep. If wolves come, yell, and we will help. Yes, sir. I am good and jolly, and see everyone will hear me. Okay, I better go now. Remember, you a lot of money for job it, right? You can count on me. I am so bored. I know I can't treat the people. I can't treat the people. Help! Help! There is a wolf! Help! Help! Where are they? Where are the wolves? Where are they? There is no wolf. It was a joke.
Then the shepherds went back to look after their sheep, and the boy was left to watch his sheep eating the grass. The next day, there Nicholas was, again, bored watching the sheep.
I am bored. My boy said trick. Help! Help! There is a wolf to eat sheep. Help! Help! There is a wolf! Help! What? Where are you? Where are you to help? There is no wolf! There is no wolf! It was a joke! Help! Help! There is a wolf! They eat the sheep! Help! Help! What? Where are they? Where are he to help? There is no wolf! It was just a joke! Jokes like that are not funny, Nicolas. This is serious. Yeah, Nicolas. I don't think of very funny. Yeah, you should test. Yeah, you should not tell lies. I am sorry.
Then everyone went back to the town and left Nicolas alone again to do his job. He felt very pleased with his jokes. He sat in the long grass, pulled his hat down over his eyes, and had a little rest. Suddenly, he heard a strange sound. He shouted and screamed, but no one came.
Help! Help! There is a wolf and it's me! Help! Help!
For 5 minutes, Nicolas shouted, and no one believed him.
He is rolling, and so all this time I am worried. he has a triumph for 5 minutes, I am going to shoot. I will come with you.
The girls arrive to the farm and find Nicolas fighting with the wolves, who are to eat them. They use their rakes to scare off the wolves that run away in fear.
I am thankful for you girls. I almost good eating. This is why you should never tell lies. No one will ever be like you. Always be honest, Nicolas. I am never going to lie again.
Nicolas learned his lesson that when you tell a lie, no one will believe you. Always tell the truth. The end.
Thank you.
Is it too late now to say sorry?